like I've been saying this, my second DVD, I wanted a germ of an idea where I wanted to involve maximum number of people. You know, people in India don't like gym routines. They don't like to go to gym and they find it very intimidating. So I thought of coming out with an idea that because we love to dance, we are Indians, we dance on every occasion, I decided that I'm going to make a dance workout. And I can just say that, you know, during making of Break Free, we got such tremendous results that I have decided not only just Break Free 1, that is the one which we have released now, I'm going to make a series of DVDs on dance workout. So it's going to be a special parallel track that I'm going to continue following, wherein, you know, you're going to be fit and you're going to have fun. And it can be done in a group, it can be done alone, it can be done at your time and convenience. So it's going to be just fun, you lose weight, look good, and be happy. Very important thing that when you follow a fitness DVD, we make it for the average population. But what's important is that you take it to your physiotherapist or doctor if you have any kind of ailments, and, you know, get an approval from them, because we don't know the body type of every single person that we are catering to. But it can be done by any healthy individual, a child, right to the age of whatever. People, like I said again and again, in India we dance, there is no age barrier. You know, we have seen like grannies and grandpas rocking it at parties and barats. So it's advisable for everyone. I think बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये जो दो शब्द मैं हमेशा बोलती रहती हूँ, love yourself. I think it's very important for every single human being to remember and respect the fact that you were born and you have a body that you need to respect, because that's the only place you live. If you don't have the body, no matter how much money you have, no matter how many people love you, no matter how much fame you have, nothing's going to matter. So for me, fitness is the biggest investment ever. And this is one thing that I want to keep on spreading forever.